Hey guys, it's me, Extreme Cube 101 here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple AND gate. So as you can see, when I flick all of these levers, I get an output here. If I just put a redstone lamp here, as you can see, it's on. Then if I flick one of these back up, then it turns off. It's only on whenever I have all of them flicked. So basically, all you need to do is to make it, just kind of make a structure like that. Put redstone torches there, put redstone dust there, put a redstone torch, and then you put redstone dust there. You put your levers there, and there you go. And you can expand it out really far, actually. Look at this. So I'm gonna do that. And now, as you can see, only turns on when I have all of them flicked. You can actually make this thing really, really big. So then, as you can see, once I turn all of these on, then I get an output. So yeah, that's how you make a really simple AND gate in Minecraft. And it works in Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. So yeah. Bye guys.